spaghetti. E you suppers are ready. Now where do you go? Mamma mia, bambino. Mamma mia, bambino. Samaraio, Samaraio, Samaraio. You should've tasted my lasagna. Hey, you don't like a lasagna? That's okay too. How about the calzone? Some nice minestrone. That's good for you. Have a summer night.